So you could see ये clutch wire actually इसका cut होके निकला. So this is the actually frequent problem what we face from the old bullets, because the tension ज़्यादा रहता है, so it tends to always break. So I would recommend that to keep few of the clutch wire spare at home, and it's not a big deal. So I got this for about 80 rupees, and you could yourself change the clutch at home itself. You could actually avoid going to mechanic shops and get it done. So they charge about nearly 300 to 500 rupees just to change the clutch wire. So I'll just show you how easy it is to get this work done. So what you need to do is, you just need to unscrew these two things, these two nuts, and remove the broken one. As you can see, this is actually gone from here. शायद आप देख सकते हैं, there the one which is moving. So you need to unscrew this nut and this, loosen up. I'll show you the mechanism inside. So ये कुछ actually इस तरह दिखेगा आपको. Once you remove it, now you can see actually मैं clutch wire इधर से push किया, so this is the one. So just what you need to do is pull it down. There is a space, there is a cutout, what you can actually see it's left with. So you can remove your wire from there and pull it out. So this is my broken clutch wire. So this is my new clutch wire. So it has got two ends. So the one which you actually see, this one. Wait, let me focus. Yeah. This one would be going inside your clutch box here, and this end would be going to the clutch. So talking about the problem, the end what I've showed you earlier, this end which would be going to the clutch, has actually got cut from the previous cable, as you can see here, and it got stuck inside my clutch lever. So this part I've removed it. So in case if if even you two face the same problem, what I've done is I tried to increase the spacing between these two when it was actually attached to the handle itself, but I wasn't able to take it out. So what I did, I removed the clutch lever itself, and then it easily actually came out from this slot what's provided here. Just need to now the placing the new wire inside is quite simple. So what you need to do is, just a minute, I'll just show you. So take this part, put it inside. There's a slot here. Put in, turn over, and then screw this. This comes in, holds you. The cable what I've done is I've guided through this hole all the way till the back, and just make sure that you don't disturb by pulling, because it's quite tedious to actually pull this cable through this hole, and in that process make sure that you're not loosening up any cable or wires. Just cross check that. And at this particular end of the cable, what we do is we actually guide through this slot what you actually see here, this hole. Let me focus it for you. Yeah, this one, and it would actually come up here like. So now you could see this wire taken from inside and hooked it here. That's all. And the adjustment of the clutch can be done through this cable. So I've just realized that after fixing the cable that the battery is completely gone, so I won't be able to on the bike and show you probably. So I have removed the battery and given it for charging, or probably they'll check it should I replace or just the charging of the battery would work. So once that is done, probably in future or maybe today itself, later part of a day, I would on the bike and show you how this beast actually sounds like.